video. This is the second video of the day. So, yeah. Noise. Alright. So, we are going to play some Escape 2 because my area has a tornado watch and I need to calm my nerves. So if I'm breathing a lot this video, that might be because I'm scared. Look, I'm scared. I have something that is simply known as fear for my life. Don't know what that is. Good job, I guess. I honestly don't care. We're going to play some Escape 2. So, we are going to be chilling in this lobby. Yeah, look at him. He's jumping. Look at him. I have some sparkles. I have so much aura, definitely. Absolutely. Yes, believe it or not, I play something that's not asymmetrical games. What a concept, I know. Doop 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 doop. I know my singing voice is absolutely and utterly amazing and a W. I'm the best singer to ever exist, definitely. Oh my gosh, these guys are taking way too long in the map. It's been like 2 minutes in the video. Probably go back to me. Finally, we're gonna play something. Sure, Bird Oasis. Why not? Forsaken? That's crazy. Alright, Bird Oasis, let's go. Press button. Press the button for all our say. Oh, I fell into the water. I don't like falling in water. I might drown and die of death. Bro, I suck at flood escaping. Luckily, this isn't Flood Escape 1, where if you touch the water, you just die. Daisy Blocks decided to spare me and not instantly kill me the moment I touched the water. I am not a sweaty gamer. I am not allergic to water. Like some people I know. Oh, you're down there. Go through this. We escape in the floods, fellows. We're escaping floods. Okay. I am really bad at parkour. Even though I have an entire video just called Untitled Obby Video. Believe it or not, I suck at obbies. And oh no, the water. The water, please. Water. Spare me, water. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. GG's, everyone. Why did they just lock you out? Like, they should at least let you in still. Like, Crazy Blocks. Well, you're evil, Crazy Blocks. I went to sue you, Crazy Blocks. That's a joke, by the way. I don't take that out of context. Okay, let's play this one. Let's play Railways. Retro Coast is a really underrated map. Merry Dreams. Okay then. I don't know if I've completed this map before. Have I even played this map before? I don't know. We dance boys. Alright. But there's only 5 buttons. That's that. Oh, it's already toxic. That's good. That's very good. Definitely, absolutely. Is someone going to what? We can't go up here unless someone presses the button. Oh, there we go. Let us in. Let us in. Got to advance. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make another video today, but yeah. No, I might upload 5 videos today. It'd be really funny if I did, but I don't know if that's good for my mental state. Actually, like, you know, the tornado warning. Well, not the warning to watch. It's not a warning, it's a watch. I'm not gonna die. Stuff. Yeah, we're probably gonna play like one more map, and then we're gonna out. Alright, there we go. We're gonna play like one more map. Let's play. Yeah, let's play the Railways one. This is a new map, I'm pretty sure. Something. Who knows? I might play something that's not Roblox today. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. As soon as I get phone service, I am going to get I'm gonna link my phone number to my YouTube account so I can, you know, like make live stream for y'all, make more than 15-minute videos. Wait, why did I just kicked out? Bruh, you gotta be kidding me. I do also want to make a video series on this channel where like I look at Forsaken maps, you know, how everyone all the references because why not? I love references, and there is quite a few references in the this map. You know what? Wait, you know what? Since we're here talking about flood escape, wait, what? Window, John Dofa. Damn, 3 events. That's crazy. And that's why my pirate server name is Sans. I may or may not like Undertale. There's definitely not an entire series on my channel called Undertale Characters Play Games that you should definitely go watch or anything. Double time, you should really not double time it. Yep. I'm sorry for your silence. Editing me. Can you like add music in the background of this video? No. You mean no? Ah, whatever. Let's do this. And in fact, let's just be the guide. Shit, let's keep because yeah. Timer stuff. Let's force next map. Let's talk about familiar ruins. Let's talk about classic. Or should I just do normal familiar ruins? Let's do normal familiar. Let's do classic familiar ruins. Force intermission end. Let me in, please. Alright, so this is familiar ruins. First thing first, let's get the very much obvious thing out of the way. This is a reference to the map in Floodscape 2 called, well, Familiar Ruins. But some people don't know that this is actually a reference to, that map is actually a reference to another map. Like, yeah. Reference to another map called, well, based on the Floodscape 1 lobby, obviously, that's pretty obvious. So here we have the main multiplayer building. We have the hard mode elevator, the medium mode elevator, and the easy mode elevator. And we also have the giant screen here where, like I said, flood escape and stuff. Let's have some boxes, and up here is where you'd like. There's a wall here normally. You can tell from the cracks where you will jump out in the actual map generator. Oh yeah, and there's a happy face back here, because, yes. Car door right here. We have training. We also have these houses aren't normally here in the normal lobby, but they just got added to Familiar Ruins because why not? Adventure mode right here, which is adventure mode. And the door up here is where you'd pop out after you're done escaping the flood. So extreme mode over here, which is would lead to beneath the ruins. Oh, there's flood back here. Very nice and stuff. So yeah, that's basically all there ever is. And this map is surrounded by water. This is an island in the lore. Yeah, this is a very nice map. That's a oh like a hello guide. How you doing today? He's not gonna say anything. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, and there's also spawn points up here. You spawn up here in the original game, so yeah. It'd be funny if there's like one of those killer doors like from Classic Battlegrounds up here where you chilled, you know? Beautiful. So yeah, very nice stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, like I said. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye.